This is our model, and this is her outfit. We're going to dress her up in this outfit. And here's the video of the model wearing the outfit. Now, here's the same model, but with a new outfit. We're going to dress her in this new outfit. And here's the video of the model wearing the new outfit. Again, the model is the same, but the outfit is completely different. And here's the video of the model wearing this outfit.
Hello, friend. Welcome to our informative video. Today, we're going to teach you how to shoot clothing brand ads, or ads for your clients. Whether you need to create a video for a shirt, jeans, top, skirt, or any men's or women's clothing brand, you can now do it in just a few seconds. You no longer need a model, a videographer, or an expensive studio setup for clothing brand ad videos. Now you can create a great clothing brand video from the comfort of your own home.
All you need is your mobile phone, laptop, or computer, and internet access. From today, you can make good money by creating clothing brand videos for your clients. So, friend, if you're looking to create clothing brand ad videos, today's video is going to be very special for you. To understand all the steps, watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important information. And don't forget to like the video. So, let's get started. First, we need a high-quality model image, for which we'll use Leonardo AI. Go to the Chrome browser and type Leonardo AI. Click on the first website that comes up. Now click on Image Creation. A pop-up will appear with a box where you need to write your prompt. If you already have a prompt, paste it here. Or, if you have a model image, you can use that to generate a prompt by clicking on the small button and selecting Describe with AI. Then upload your image. Wait a minute while I add an image. Now you can see how well Leonardo AI's feature described the image. Now click on Model/Preset on the left side and select the Flux Dev model. Now click on Auto Prompt below the model option and turn it off. Go to Style and select Fashion. Click on More in the image dimensions and select Mobile 916. Now all our settings are complete. Click on the Generate button and wait a few minutes. You'll get 4 images. Download the one you like. If you don't like any of them, regenerate them. Now we'll use Leonardo AI's powerful and my favorite feature, Image Upscaler, to add more detail and quality to our image. Go back to the home page. Click on Upscaler and upload your image. Click on Upscale. Wait a few minutes, and you'll get some amazing results. Download the image. If you already have an outfit image, that's good. If you want to create an outfit image, you can also generate it using Leonardo. The process is the same. We will just change the prompt. If you need an outfit prompt, you can also take help from ChatGPT. For now, I have an outfit image and I will upscale it because you need a high-quality outfit image. So, let's upscale the image. Now we have a high-quality model image and a high-quality outfit image. We will now create an ad video using Kling AI. Let's go to the Kling AI website. Create an account on Kling AI. After creating an account, you will see an interface like this. Click on AI Images, then AI Virtual, and then AI Outfit. Select the Upload option. Upload your model image. After uploading the model image, scroll down. There is an option to upload a garment image. Upload the outfit image you want the model to wear. You will see 2 options. 1. Single garment, for uploading one outfit. 2. Multiple garments, for uploading more than one outfit. Since we are applying one outfit, select single garment and upload the outfit image. Click Generate. Processing will start, so wait for it to complete. You will now get 2 images of the model wearing the outfit. To convert the image into a video, click on the image. Select the Bring to Life option. The model image will appear, and the AI will automatically generate a prompt. You can modify the prompt if needed. Click Generate to start the video conversion. This may take some time. Once the video is generated, play it to check the output. If you want videos of the model in different poses, change the prompt, and the video will be generated accordingly. Click Download to save your video. The ad shot video for your clothing brand is ready. So friends, that's how easy it is to create professional clothing brand ad videos using AI. No need for an expensive studio or professional models. Just use AI tools smartly and create high-quality videos from home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you want to explore more AI tools and tech hacks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We have more exciting videos coming your way. Also, if you're interested in creating faceless content using AI, don't miss this video. Mention the video on the end screen.